Hey guys, it's Danielle Amato. I'm going live this week from my studio to show you a new project I've been working on. Last week I showed you the S7 and the triple stretch stitch that you can use on denim, and I showed you a few denim projects that I've done in the past. And this week I've been working on the Skyline S9, which I have here. Let me wake her up. And I'm very new to embroidery, so this is one of my first big projects with the Skyline S9. What's really great about the S9 is that it's it's a step up from the S7, so you have the ability right here. I'm not going to do it now because I have this set up, but you can switch back and forth between the regular sewing mode and the embroidery mode. And I have what I had been working on set up here, and I'm almost finished with it. This is it's so user-friendly, this machine. It's really great if you're interested in learning how to do embroidery like myself. I got this image from a fashion database that I subscribe to, and if I can show you over here on my laptop, I have it here pulled up in the Artistic Digitizer. Now, this is a Janome program that starting on Monday, there will be a free download till the end of May 31st. You'll be able to access it and you'll be able to try it out. So what I was able to do was I imported the photo that I had and into the program. And what's really great about this is you can edit the different colors and sizing and different things, and you can see how it fits to the hoop. And once that's done, then you're able to, I can go right here to my Skyline S9, and using my Wi-Fi, I can import my design right to the machine. I don't have to plug anything in. It just goes by itself. It's pretty magical and awesome. So I have it all set up here, and all I have to do, and this is my denim jacket, by the way. This is a denim jacket that I've had. This is good. Last week I shared about, upcycling old jeans that you have and things like that. So this is really good if you don't want to get that intensive and you have a jacket that you want to do something to or jazz something up. So this is another really great place to start. So with here, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to hit my start button, and it's going to finish up the last few stitches that I have here. You can see it counting, which is really cool. You can kind of tell what place you're up to. The hoop is moving. And if you guys have any questions, feel free. I'll try to answer any questions that you have. And you can see the different colors. And what's good too is when you import these different designs that you have, it may come with set colors, but if you have different colors of thread, you can kind of really tell the machine to make it any color that you want. I also find this is great for if you have like miscellaneous colors from old projects that you have, and it's a good way to use it up if you don't have embroidery thread. So now that looks like we're done. So all we have to do here now is unhook myself from the hoop here. And we can slide this right out. And then we have our jacket. Let me set it somewhere where I can lay it out. So here we go. I can take these clamps off here. And I'm still attached to my hoop. I have to undo my hoop. Now, I didn't get too close to this seam here because I was afraid with the needle going through this is so thick. So I do have a little bit of a space here. So I do have I have two trims, which I don't know if you guys have an idea of what I could do there to kind of fill that in. I have these, let me see. I have these pom-poms, maybe I thought could go in like this somehow and kind of add to it, or I have some sequin trim I can do something with. So I got something I need to think about. But there's that. Yeah, I mean, the S9 is such a great starter machine. Like I said, if you're new to embroidery like myself, it tells you how long it takes. This one is more of a longer one, 111 minutes. It tells you all the different colors that you have. There's a total of 8 colors here. yeah, and you know, let me switch this camera around here. Okay, so yeah, so I'm so in love with the S9. It's really fun to kind of play around with the different things it can do, and you know, adding to existing garments that you might have, and the fact that it can embroider on the denim no problem is really great. Yeah, I'm just using a universal needle here just to get started. Depending on the thickness of your denim, you might need a different kind of needle, but it's really an awesome machine. So if you have any questions, the dealers are still around. They're doing curbside pickups. They are answering any questions that you have and anything like that. And like I said, if you're new to embroidery, the Artistic Digitizer starting on Monday, so next week, there will be a free download for the Artistic Digitizer for the whole month of May. So that's really cool to kind of get used to that software. I love it. I love playing with it. And yeah, so that's kind of what I've been up to. I want to see if there's any questions anybody has. The clamps they came with the machine itself. Yeah, I'm trying to see if there's anything else that anybody is asking. But yeah, that looks like that's it for now. If you have any questions, feel free to put it in the comments, and I'll try my best to answer you. Here's another close-up of the design. Again, I'm kind of liking the pom-poms. I think I might go in that direction. So we'll see. So a great way to spice up a garment that you might have on hand. Thanks guys for watching, and let me know if you have any other questions.